The idea for the Village Bakery started in about 2015. I had a conversation with a special ed teacher about how hard it is to find jobs for people with developmental disabilities, and that led us to the bakery. I think what makes it unique is that we're one of the few businesses in the United States that actually tries to serve adults with developmental disabilities, pays them a competitive wage, and really tries hard to make sure that they can do virtually any job at the bakery that anyone without a disability can do. We really try to give them a real-world experience working shoulder to shoulder with people that don't have disabilities. So I think our best-selling baked goods are obviously our muffins. We have a wide variety of muffins that we make, and every year the staff is coming up with new flavors. The cookies, we have a dozen different kinds of cookies that we sell. Monster cookies, oatmeal raisin cookies, huge hits. And then my favorite is the caramel bacon Long John. My dream when I created the bakery, and still my dream, is that when people come into the bakery, they will find that people with disabilities are just as motivated, just as hardworking, just as fun to be around as anybody else they might meet in the community. That they'll see them for who they are, not just for a diagnosis that they might have.